Good afternoon. Well, been working on my printer, and I had nothing but troubles, just like building the last two. And what it turns out, what happened, is this ramps board here, it's got a short somewhere, and it zaps all the 5-volt out of the Arduino. I don't know what's going on. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong, but I'll have to track that down. And I also have these 4 drivers that I've tested, and they don't work for shit, so I'll have to figure out what's going on with those and if they can be fixed. I don't know. I think the little pots go bad. I don't know, but I did seem to get it working, and it is quiet and nice. Let's see, what have I gone through? Trying to figure out that electronics was kind of a nightmare. I had all this stuff, all these wires wrapped up real nice in this loom stuff, and yeah, of course I had to take it back apart and find out why it wasn't working. Let's see, I had one problem where it came unplugged. The servo wires, it's just one plug into another, into another, into another, and there's like 3 or 4 of them just to get the servo long enough, the servo cord long enough. And I ended up crashing it and replaced this servo like 3 times, but it seems to be working good now. Let's see, got to clean that wiring up and run some filament through it. I haven't run any filament through it yet. I'm just doing the testing for now, but I still got these 4 drivers to test, and I was real lucky. My niece let me take her Arduino board out, her Arduino and her ramps board, and I haven't taken it apart, it's still all good to go, but she let me take it apart to test the little drivers and stuff, and that helped out a lot. I should have done it before, but I didn't know what the problem was, so I kept trying one, and as soon as it worked, I'd leave it alone and try something else, and pretty soon I had a whole bunch of boards that I didn't know if they were good or bad or or what. So yeah, but I thought I'd let you have a little shot of this thing going through its paces. Really quiet. I'm really digging it. I might just take the LCD and the ramps out of the black one, move it over to this one, and program it and start using this one. I've got a few problems that showed up while I was printing all these parts. I printed a lot, but yeah, this belt's starting to loosen up, and it's got no adjustment. So I printed off, printed off this new end, and it's got an adjuster, real nice. I printed the same one for the blue one too, but that's an upgrade I gotta do just to get this one working again back where it should. And it's amazing how much noisier this is with the wood, and it's just a noisy sucker, and the bearings all by themselves are just squeaky as hell compared to the bushings on this. The bushings are very quiet. But anyway, I thought I'd just give this file a start and let you see what it's like. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's connected. Here, let me go reboot it. Sorry. Oh, that's weird. Okay, there it goes. Anyway, here I'll start it off, and after it does its homing routine, then it'll start doing kind of a fake print, because I don't have any filament in it, but it's just doing the testing right now. Hear how the bushings, they've got no squeak at all. I wasn't able to use the bushings in the Z axis, but everything else I was able to use the bushings. They're just so much quieter and nice. I think I'll have to find some more to modify the black one to be the same. Now check this out, how quiet this thing is. Once it gets down there, it just hums. Really nice. See, no squeaking, no nothing. It's just, that's the way I want it. That's the way I like it. But yeah, looks like everything's working good. Glad I was able to figure those boards out and stuff. But yeah, I still got, like I said, I still got to go through those 4, which I'm not looking forward to. I'm thinking a couple of them are bad. I wonder if they were in this ramps board when it took a shit and it just fried everything I kept putting in there, you know. It had some really odd, really odd, I don't know, odd problems, I guess you would say, and I finally just got sick of it. But yeah, this thing's gonna be nice. I'm gonna talk to you later.